Okay, let's talk today about new feature for the sketch constraining added to the board surfacing version 7. So let's start. I'm going to start with this box here and let's apply everything. Let's make some extrudes. Okay. Alright, let's crease this one and this one. Maybe this both. Okay, and let's crease. I'll just keep this. I can make more edits. So let's say this is kind of board. Now you have here the mesh tools. Top of the mesh tools you have the alignment here. So you can just select, let's give the cage view. You have the alignment here. So you have this different alignment tools: linearly, circular, parallel, perpendicular. So let's test them. First, if you just have something like this, I can select the both and I can alignment perpendicular, so it gives you perpendicular angle, and then I can just move it to get the 90 degrees. Okay, now you have also the parallel. Let's say if I just move this a little like that, and I need this both of lines parallel, I'm gonna select a line parallel, so it gets parallel with that. And you have more constraints. You have a linearly alignment. So if I just select this too and alignment linearly, so you can have something like that. Okay, I can select the other one here linearly and give it a little angle, and this two lines I want them parallel. Now give it a straight angle. You can hold this arrow here and you have straight line. Okay, now I want this one perpendicular and this one also. Let's make this parallel. And I can do that. Alright. So after we did that, let's convert first. And then you get something like that. That's the easy one, and the simple converting. So In the new addition here, you can get from the future creation settings and select make control sketch. Now if I just convert it, you can see that it's creating a control 3D sketch. So if I just edit this sketch here, I have ability to edit the sketch from the SolidWorks after converting from the bar surfacing. So I can just play around with these lines or even vertex. Okay. I have ability to add a dimension. Let's say I want this line here to be 100. And the same here, 100. So this is fully precise 100 millimeter dimension. Hit OK and it should be 100 exactly from here. Now the same, let's edit again. And I can constrain stuff here. I can make these two lines perpendicular. So as you've seen, that's 90 degrees now. If I just exit the sketch, so you're gonna notice that should be 100% 90 degrees. Let's edit the bar surfacing feature. You can see that it's updating by itself from the sketch that we edit in the SolidWorks. Okay, so let's just crease this one to let you see the degree of it. Now I just crease it all the faces here, and you're gonna notice that this is 100% perpendicular. Alright. Can just insert loops here. Let's sort this one also. Remove this. And let's add some details here. Or this edge. Extrude again. Let's move this a little to the right side. I can insert a line at the center here, and let's make this line straight. Okay. Now from here, let's see which side is perfect, and I guess the left one. So let's delete this and symmetry. Okay, now I have perfect symmetry of the two sides. Everything is great. Now let's unify the mirror, and then you have, it should be perfect. No difference between these two sides now. So let's update. Let's add some colors. Okay, so as you seen here, it's still perpendicular. Everything we just did still the same. We still have ability to edit the sketch from here and control everything, even the relations of all of these lines. It should be a regular 3D sketch from the SolidWorks, so I can handle with it like that. Let's say, let's add a dimension. Let me say I just need this line here to be 150. So it's 150 now. Let's exit, and I'm gonna crease this edge here. Let's crease this one. And also creasing this one. So now this is 150. Let's edit the sketch again. Okay, it's 150 now. Still 150 as we just left it. And everything still great. Okay. Now as long as we have this is 100 creasing, so we can just add future, like fill it. Let me just go back to the power surfacing. And insert an edge here. Okay, let's go back and do the fillets again. Let me just increase the quality. Alright, this should be better now. Press and fillet, and I can fillet this edge here. Let's select these. Let's try 5mm first. Something wrong here. Let's see what is wrong. Okay. This should work now. So I can just increase it. That's 20 millimeters. Let's keep it 10. Okay, and you have the fold now. If you just edit the sketch here, I can even fix lines. So let's say I need to fix that. So this both line now is fixed. Okay. You have the same relations along x and y and z, linear, perpendicular, parallel, equal, everything the same here. So if I select it, this one, make them equal, and even this one and this one equal, and equal again. So this is equal now. So you have these cool relations here. It's going to give you some more precise work and industrial parts. I think this should be creased to give you the right shape. Okay, so at the SolidWorks sketch, if you just edit this should be a square, and it is in the bar surfacing and SolidWorks now. So if I just end the sketch, you can see here it's a square. That's a great look now. Thanks for watching. Bye.